Okay.
Hello? Mike? Mike?
Gay.
Alright, there we go. That's weird. Did you guys hear me at all? Okay, yeah, finally. A ring? Is there a ring around it? Oh wow, there is. There's a ring around the sphere. So everyone who doesn't know Fortnite very much, there's a ring around this sphere at the top of Polar Peak.
Oh my god, I see it.
And there's the last flame. The little flame at the top, once that flame goes out, the event's starting. Because every 2 hours, one of the flames will go out. And if you can't tell, Ice King's on the inside of there, and he's making some things.
On. Okay.
I know.
Damn, I'm watching the event.
Yeah.
I'm watching the
It's so
event,
rude.
guys.
I think
It's gonna
everyone will
happen.
stop, though. I know during the rocket launch...
I can't really do it because I don't have any internet right now, and I haven't got the Xbox hooked up yet. My Xbox hooked up yet. Oh! Go on, take him out. Oh. Dude, that was so close.
You have a gun? There's someone upstairs. Here, grab grenades, I guess.
Oh my
Okay,
god.
there's a dire.
Oh! Come on, take him out, take him out, take him out, take him out, take him out. Oh no!
Solo, he's like one hit. There you go.
Oh.
Alright, rev me.
Dude, just kill him and revive him.
Grab the pump just in case. Or just rev me. Alright, everyone watching. So this is crap.
Hold on, I'm gonna let him know that I'm making a video.
Do you have a shotgun already? Wait, do you have one already? Oh, nice. Yeah, we're coming. Why? You're being obnoxious. Oh, Travis is saying add him. Travis, we'll add you after this game, don't worry.
Okay.
I know, still.
10 minutes, okay, I think.
Well, dude,
Oh!
I think people won't kill each other closer to the...
About the glider thing, yeah, Epic. Why'd you have to make the gliders like how they are now? Like, why? It's just, you're like wasting inventory slots. So that means if you have 4 guns and you need meds, but you need glider redeploy so you don't take fall damage, then you won't have any meds unless you just drop 1 gun. But yeah, you're just wasting inventory slots.
Also, Travis, I'll add you. You have a...
You know. But yeah, you're just wasting inventory slots. Like, Epic, why did you make the glider redeploy like this? Oh god, no. Oh.
Alright.
What the?
Okay.
The map glitched and said they were in Salty Springs. What?
Forky sounds like...
Okay, yes, he's making a live stream of this.
Alright, Travis. No, someone just said something like this. Dude, okay, I'm adding Travis. Right. Alright, you ready, Travis?
Playground limited time modes have been temporarily disabled. Probably because of the events.
A couple minutes. Well, we could go into a game. We have not... 40. Okay, everyone put the heart on your front list. So people won't kill us. What? Why? Yeah, it doesn't start at your time. For me, it starts at 12. For me, it starts at 12. Yeah. Alright, everyone ready up. Alright, Travis, put the heart on your front list of emotes. Just because some people may...
Oh god. Tons of people that play Fortnite, tons of my subscriptions of people that play Fortnite, like the NTM, are making live streams of, the events. Well, I'm just making a video because I don't have internet right now.
They fixed the glitch. Massa, ready up. We're just gonna go into...
And I don't have the Xbox hooked up, so my Xbox that I got from my cousin, his old Xbox One. Yeah. Still haven't figured out what my account name's gonna be yet, though. I know I do want to put something that lets people know that I am Bendy Plushy Studios on.
Tell us what you think's gonna happen, I guess. Carson, my friend from school keeps messaging me saying, "Is that the real Carson?" Dude, I know you're watching the stream. I'll just tell you, that's like
I'm
about
making a
1,000,000
video
times
while
like
watching the
that. And
stream,
also,
Folky.
and just a fun fact, the Carson here almost passed him in subs once until he all of a sudden blew up. Wait, I think the flame is gone.
What?
What is?
Oh, the flame's still there. I see it.
No, it's not. Oh, it ain't. Okay. I pray. I'm gonna be so angry if people don't be cool about it and everyone kills each other. It's gonna be so annoying.
Well, they're probably gonna be cool since tons of people are going to Polar Peak.
Carson, I need a gun. I don't think we're gonna do it in this match.
Dude, he needs a gun. Oh, come on.
Or Travis, there's a dude here. Oh, never mind. I don't have a gun. Anyone got an extra gun?
One way you could tell that they're noobs is that if they have a default skin.
Why are you shooting each other, guys? Alright, these people are cool.
Except for him.
No! Oh, you suck! Dang it,
Oh!
cool.
Oh, God.
These people suck. Okay, we got 5 minutes. Should we just die in this game? Okay. Rev me. And let me have that gun. Travis, do it! Okay. Let me have this gun, by the way. I don't have anything.
Also, I think if your other three squad members heal you, that probably does it fast. I don't know. One time when I was playing, I had two squad members. One time someone was down and one squad member was healing him, and then I decided to join him, and it went a little bit fast. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, if you are getting cool at it since it's happening.
I feel like we should leave the game and do one more. No, let's not build. People are gonna knock us over. Don't shoot at anyone, though. Let's stay right here. This is a good place, I think.
Oh my god,
I'm gonna
dude.
go up. Let's go up to where Carson is. I'm gonna go up to where Carson is. Oh, I thought. Well, oh no, we should go up to the top of this. We got 4 minutes. Wait. Whoa, there's snow gathering around it. Alright, here's the start of it.
Dude.
Here's the start of it. Alright, Maso, who's the person you befriended? If they're on a team. I'm getting shot at. Oh, you people are stupid. Okay, don't. Alright, should we just wait the extra 3 minutes? Or should we try to get into one more game? It's 11:57. We have 3 minutes. Do you think we can do it? Okay, let's ditch the game. Quickly.
Oh my god, dude.
We really want to watch it, guys, but we don't want to get killed. And we don't want to miss it.
I don't want to miss it either.
Come on, hurry up. Alright, ready up.
Oh,
ready
come
up.
on, really?
Everyone ready.
Okay, they're leaving. Yeah. Come on. Just click the ready button. Okay, just click that ready button. Click there we go, dude.
Okay. I think it might be the window. Alright, guys. Everyone watching, what's gonna happen? Oh no! We have 2 minutes!
Come on, you need to hurry up.
Everyone gather together and hold up the hearts and everything.
Hurry up loud!
Don't pick up guns. Your pickaxes out. Oh my god, come on!
Just loud!
We have 1 minute. No!
No!
Oh my god, do it again, quickly. No, we should have stayed. Alright,
Go
I'm
on.
gonna kick you and invite you back. Oh my god, this sucks.
Hurry up!
Where's...
He's at the top!
No, we're inviting Carson back. Alright,
Oh.
ready up.
Come on, hurry up.
Alright,
No!
Solos, ready up. It might have been Masalos, I don't know.
1 minute.
Quickly.
Come on!
Why isn't it show me? I pressed it. It's loading. Trust me.
Oh my god.
I don't want to miss it.
Come on! Hurry up alone!
We should have stayed. Oh. Okay, now it shows me. Right?
Yes.
Yes! Oh my god, I think there's just tons of people.
Come on, please don't, please do not glitch. Do not glitch.
We're probably gonna have to see a gliding
Do not
gun.
glitch.
We're gonna have to wait in the lobby, I just realized. Uh-oh. We're fine.
Come on! Load faster!
We should have stayed.
Look faster! What is happening? It's like, it doesn't want him to see the game.
Wait, you're unready, Carson.
Oh my god, really?
Bye, guys. Alright, Travis, do you want to just try duos? Alright, let's try it. It's not letting me ready up, so I'm just gonna do solo, dude. Whoops.
Oh.
I don't want to miss it, okay? Sorry, Travis. Bye. We're done. Alright, duos. Stop.
Keep saying it's duos. Oh my god.
Just duos. You know what? Whatever. We're just gonna try it. Oh my god. It's starting. No! No! Oh my god, no! Oh, I really want to watch it.
Come on. Hurry up. There we go. Hurry up. Come on, hurry up.
Good? What is it? Oh my god, no. Missing it. Okay.
Hurry up.
We're gonna get in. It's slowly going. It already happened. What was it? What happened? It's a storm.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna
Can't get in.
hop on something else. Fortnite event. What about this?
Snow covered.
What the?
And of course the Ice King is no.
God! Dude! Nearly 8,000 people are watching. I'm literally gonna pass out. I haven't eaten. I've been streaming for 11 hours. This is by far been the best day of my entire life. Thank you so much to everyone who has been here. Holy crap.
Okay, come on.
Yo, are there zombies? Your game crashed? Do the pom-pom dance? Bro. Let's go. Yo, thank you everyone who did join. Let's go back.
Yep. But yeah, if you guys missed it, the event essentially has turned the whole map into snow. But we don't know what happened to the dragon eggs.
Oh no, what if I do this?
I've never streamed this event before because I'm always so scared of, you know, it screwing up. But I've done 9 minutes left now. Yeah, Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, this is it. The Ice Storm event. Is there gonna be a dragon? I think so.
Oh
God,
god,
eggs were like
good.
rocking and hatching, well not hatching, but like rocking and making noises for the last like couple hours, so 5 minutes left. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Where do you reckon?
I don't call it yet.
come on.
Yeah. I heard the game takes a while to start because first zone could give us some trouble, I think. It could give us trouble, I don't know. Nah, it takes a while to get in, I think, and then we
I see it.
and everything.
I see the sphere.
Alright. So put the dragon glider on. I'm just having a look at our options here. I think I know. Yeah. Won't say anything though. Actually, here, I'll message you.
Not much.
Now, it could be like, if you remember the rocket ship one, it made everyone's game time nighttime when we did it. So maybe it might do the same thing. See how it's holding the lobby?
Yeah.
Like the game's not starting. Yeah, we got 4 minutes left. No, okay. Together to have fun in the video game. All right, let's go for Frosty Flights.
I know you must be surprised to see me here. Not really, since you followed us all over the world.
You know which one to go to?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
anyway, what I wanted to tell you about.
Why aren't you going to Frosty Flights? Dude, you labeled
I can't
Frosty
even say much
Flights.
right now. I'm so
Why aren't you doing that?
terrified right now. Especially when I was in the lobby and saw all those people pickaxing me, I was like, oh no, it's over. Okay, imagine if the 80% screwed us over 3 times and there was nothing here.
Oh god, we got contests on the. It's one plane. I'm pretty sure I got it though.
Okay,
Oh, oh no.
No. I'm coming a bit late. Yeah, I'll get up in the sky. Here.
Oh god.
Yeah, drop it.
Oh god.
No!
Rocky, come here.
Yeah.
Get in.
No, I can't.
Get in, quick.
I can't.
Rocky.
Go!
Oh no.
No.
Oh no.
No.
Okay.
Lucky, just go.
I can't. I can't. Wait, come pick me up. Go. No. 2 minutes. Oh my
Come on, dude.
god.
You need to make it. You need to make it.
I can watch from you. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Oh,
my god.
you got the aerial assault guy too.
Oh my god.
Holy man,
I actually,
full on us.
I nearly wanted to cry. No, I did want to cry. I actually wanted
Feel
to.
your head is like just so.
It's 1 minute left until the event. There's
Come
1
on.
minute left.
Dude, make it.
I just want to say, everyone on this plane, I love you, especially the guy who got off the plane. I'm going to go into replay mode and find out who it was. Oh my god, someone's actually trying to shoot me. Can you believe it? Oh.
Holy, I died it real quick.
Oh. Oh no. 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 Don't do that,
Go on,
Caps.
dude.
1 minute until the event.
Come on, make it.
Oh my gosh, it's happening. Make sure you keep an eye on that damn thing.
Oh yeah, we'll
I'm
be doing
giving
that. I go.
Try and like drive straight towards it when it happens.
Uh-oh, what the hell? Plane stopped. Plane wouldn't let me fly.
You went
Okay.
too high. Do one more spin around, I reckon.
Oh.
When you free look, does it free look for me too?
Can you,
Oh
can
yes.
you see that?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
does?
Okay, good.
Oh! Oh god, something!
Oh, Ice King's out.
Ice King, what are you doing?
Wait, there's some.
Oh god, oh my god! Dude! Oh! Oh! Oh, dude. Oh god. Oh, what's happening? What's happening?
He's about to hit you.
What's he doing? Yeah, dude, I'm down. Hit me.
What's happening?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
What's he gonna do?
oh, oh,
Oh! I've been ran by another
oh!
Holy.
Uh-oh.
Can you,
Everything's
Oh, God.
icy.
It looks
Oh
so
god,
laggy.
I can't even see.
It's an ice storm.
Wait,
I can't even
where's the
see.
dragons?
Where is the dragons? Is that it?
No way.
No,
The
it
ice
can't
cream
be
is
it.
gone.
That's
What?
not
Oh, the
standard
whole
Fortnite
mass snow.
fashion.
The whole mass snow.
Is it?
Yeah.
It is!
Oh my god!
Okay.
No, where's the dragon?
Dude, that's I
What's
see
going
a
What's
map
that?
now! Oh my god!
Oh, it's the zombies. It's the zombies.
It's the zombies.
Wait, what?
Zombies are back, boys!
What?
Woo! Alright.
Yep.
I wonder what happens now.
Wait, the zombies are back!
Don't tell me the game's
Dude,
always gonna
it's
be
so
like this.
cool. Like,
No.
No,
it's
wait, I heard a dragon.
snow. All snow. It's all snow
I heard
now.
zombies there.
Oh my god.
I swear, if it's gonna always be like foggy,
Check the dragon egg.
that means
Well,
you leave the plane though.
What the?
Yeah, no, I don't want to check the dragon egg just yet.
Oh
Wow,
wow,
so
there's
the-
gotta be more than
Dude, that's
There's
so
gotta be more
cool.
than that. It looks like so all the zombies started spawning.
It's all
But what's
snow
so
now.
cool about
What?
that? Like, I'm gonna take it down.
Oh my god, the
Yeah,
zombies.
same
No,
amount of zombies
they
as
are
the
back.
last ones.
Oh my god, no.
They're just icy.
Icy zombies, I guess.
Well, except
the
they're
person in my
frozen.
plane's crying. I don't think
Frozen
I
zombies.
don't think they were pleased.
Sorry for the name there. I did. Frozen zombies.
Please.
Oh gosh.
But dude,
So,
dude,
it's
that was
zombies.
so awesome. Like,
I think
the
that was
Ice
actually it.
King turned into
Oh, Okay, well, the
storm,
ice
a
storm's gone
storm,
away. Like the
and
fogginess, I think.
dude,
Still
and
got
turned the map
still
into
that
snow.
which actually
Oh
sucks
my god,
because
dude.
I remember playing it during Christmas and it was so annoying because everything was white, right?
Oh yeah. I think that was actually it.
Now let's go check the dragon eggs.
Yeah. Go have a look, and then I reckon we have a look in the replay.
Oh, absolutely. I want to find out the legend. Okay.
Oh no,
Okay then.
really,
Well,
dude.
we're not gonna find out right now, at least, because I have been lasered off.
Yep.
There's. There we go. There's you, Sergeant.
Actually, would it update the bunker? Bunker.
Go, and wind it up, wind it up. Oh, he was building up like a little bit of a thing with his hands. Like it was getting bigger and bigger, the cloud.
Yeah.
I'll do the egg transformation just a bit, but I want. Oh yeah, dude, that's so freaky with the map.
Oh my god,
That's actually sick.
dude. Hold on.
Bigger, the cloud.
Yeah.
I'll do the egg transformation just a bit, but I want. Oh yeah, dude, that's so freaky with the map.
Dude.
That's actually sick.
Dude, cool.
Oh, that's awesome. I wonder how long it'll last. I don't think it'll be permanent because white-colored skins are too OP. Because I remember Christmas Day, it was ridiculous.
Yeah. During Christmas, it was only like 1 day of white, wasn't it? Literally.
Yeah, but it was so bad. I hated playing it.
Kind of like just look at.
Yeah,
You're gonna check the dragon eggs.
somewhere at the bottom. I actually never been to the eggs before, so I just don't even know. Here we go. This is the bottom. I think they're like in here or something. Yeah. Alright, well the eggs aren't even here on my screen. That's the other entrance. That'll open up soon. And it melts a little bit. But it can't melt. Alright, well the eggs are gone in my replay, so maybe that means they're gone. Gone? Big
Your.
I swear I didn't see them. Oh. Alright, well we'll go. I'm gonna grab your
Dude, that's so cool. Like,
Oh, it's 5 days. Ice Queen better be in here. She's shot. Ice Queen's here. She's right there in the.
Ice Storm.
Where is she? Is she one of these? She must be one of the unlockables. Well, because you get the glider. You get that when you complete all 13.
New app.
Complete Ice Storm challenges 6. You get that. Destroy icy fiends. 150.
Zombies.
Deal damage with explosive weapons to the Ice Legion. So that's what they're called. Ice Legion.
I thought it was called. They were called the Ice Zombies. Full zombies.
So Ice Storm is all of these now. It's just regular squads. Huh. I'm gonna play, and then I'm gonna go because there's another event in another game that I want to play. So I'm gonna do one match here, and then I'm gonna end it because we didn't even do it. I'm gonna look it up and see if I can find a clip, and I'll show you guys. Allie, I did it.
If you keep attacking, I won't pay you.
Dude.
I'll pay you double.
Find where the actual event. Whoa. Okay, so there was a. I can't really show you guys, but there's a giant projection of Ice King.
Yeah, I have seen it.
Throws the storm up in the air. That's pretty cool, actually.
And it turns the whole map into ice.
Alright, well,
snow.
That's too bad that we didn't get to watch that because that would have been cool. Alright, fellas. We're gonna try one more game. Yeah, you are not getting shinies, you guys. Yes, I am. I get like all the shinies during these events. Like, okay. So where's Ice Cream then? Because she's in that little picture, and I want to get the Ice Cream skin. I hope it's not. I hope it's not a purchasable skin. I hope it's a one. Although I think they're free.
He's going to blast this whole place right off the cliffside.
Alright. Oh my god, someone.
I can't step out to water vent Adam without getting blown up. And I can't get a good enough angle on it from down here.
I know how to get an angle on it.
Yes, everyone's always asking.
Okay, well, anyway, we saw the event. That's what we came for, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.